We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can remove whitelist number in Oppo phone. So to start, let me quickly open the Do Not Disturb mode menu and go for the exceptions. So as you can see, as far as the exceptions people or exceptional people go, I've made it so that my exceptions are the contacts that I have starred as favorites. So in order to logically, in order to remove a whitelist number, I will need to unstar or unfavorite the contact, which I can easily do by going into the contacts list, opening the contacts information page of the person of the whitelist number I would like to get rid of, and then unstarring it like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.